Everyone, good day. In today's PowerToys video, I will show you an amazing feature called mouse without borders. What it do, you can see in the image, mouse without borders is a quick and easy way to move your cursor across multiple devices. Yes, you heard it right. This means by this utility tool, you can use your mouse and keyboard in multiple devices if they are connected with this security key. Okay, let's see the overview of. You can find the overview. If you go bottom, you can see the attribution from these are the attributions for mouse without borders. You can learn more about mouse without borders. Okay, I have already opened it here. You can see how can you do it. There are some initial configuration. First of all, what you have to do, you have to generate a security key of the main computer, and in other computers PowerToys must be enabled, installed, and mouse without borders must be enabled. Okay, after that what you have to do, from the very first key of your this PC or main PC, you have to copy the key and set the other key in this PC also. Okay, let's say you have two PC, okay, or one PC or laptop. First you have to generate a new key, and what you can do, connect it here. Okay, you can see that. Okay, there are some other features also. You can align the PC as you wish. They may have been in a line, or they have been in a 2x2 square. Okay, that means you can connect 4 PC without it. Okay, you can there are drag and drop features to align the PCs, which will be first, which will be second, etc. Okay, as I have only one PC, I could not show you all the features here, but I think if you are in need of these kind of tools, you do not have to install any third-party applications to use this single mouse in multiple PCs. Okay, or switch the dongles. Okay, I hope if you go to the here, you can see first you have to enable mouse without borders, and you have to generate the security key. A key is already generated, or you can use this PC as other species in other PC. Okay, and you can see the device layout. You can easily drag and drop this, or you can align device in a 4x4 rectangle. Okay, so also you can run this mouse without borders as a service. In that case you have to provide it administrator privileges also. Okay, and all the other shortcuts and behaviors you can modify here. Okay, that means you can share the clipboard, you can share file, just drag and drop. Okay, so this kind of behavior you can manage it from here, and all the shortcuts is also available, like to lock all the machines. Okay, or try if the connection is loose, you can do it to reconnect. Okay, and there is also IP address mapping, and if there is any troubleshooting any issue, you can do it troubleshooting from here. Okay, so as I have not used this feature in my PC or in my PCs, I can't sure how I am not sure how is the actual scenario here, but I think if you need this kind of tools, this is available in Microsoft PowerToys, and you can try it out. Okay, that's all for today. I will see you in next one. Bye.